Welcome to the Manifestos Coins Money Meditation, a guided meditation to help you manifest money daily. We will begin by making sure you're in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Begin by inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose. Let each breath flow slowly and completely as you inhale. Feel a positive source of energy coming into you as you exhale. Let go of any negative thoughts around money, relaxing your body from all tension and stress. Allow the breath to flow naturally without trying to influence it in any way to begin this exercise. Inhale deeply and count each time you exhale. Inhale, exhale. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Do this exercise as many times as you like, starting with 1 and ending with 5. Here are some affirmations that will help you manifest money daily in your life. I network more than your check's worth. I got money on my mind. I deserve increase. I deserve abundance. Everything works out. I will not worry. Money transfers to me easily. I have plenty coming to me. I've done the work. I'm reaping the benefits. I'm responsible with my money. My money works for me every day. My bank account receives increase daily. I have a healthy relationship with my money. Money does grow on trees. I have plenty to look forward to. Love, money, and self-care. My savings will continue to provide for me. 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 1 are my lucky numbers. Loose change is money too. I work for what I have. I acquire nice things. My portion is large and consistent. I pay my bills on time. Pay what you owe. Give your percentage, he will give it back to you. I got checks to cash. I got plenty money. I can achieve anything. Watch me go harder. I stay in my bag. Money.